Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for an account with Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get started with Acorns. How do you actually go ahead and sign up for an account? So first install the app and you're going to reach a home page that looks like this. Then click on Get Started. So for here, you're going to enter your email, then click on Join Acorns today. Next, you need to create a password. Then click on Create Account. Then you need to accept the terms, so click on Accept. Then you need to enter your phone number, and then click on Continue. Then click on Continue again. And then it's going to use Plaid to actually confirm details with you. So click on Share. And then it's going to ask you to log into your Chase Bank. So click on Next, and then select which accounts you want to go ahead and connect to Acorns. Then click on Link My Account. So afterwards, it's now going to save your banking account information onto Acorns app. And then you need to go ahead and read to authorize the Social Security Administration to verify and disclose Acorns to use your info. Click on I agree, and then click on continue. And then from here, you need to choose a subscription. So with that, just choose a gold, silver, or bronze subscription. And so we'll go with the lowest plan and then click on try a month on us. And now you're now subscribed to Acorns Bronze. So click on continue, and then it's going to ask you how do you want to get started, whether you want to invest every day or invest for retirement. So choose whichever option suits you. Then click on continue and then answer these questions to the best of your ability. So none of these apply to me. And then it's going to ask you to fill out your self-employment status, your marital status, your tax filing type. Then it's going to ask you your total combined annual income. And then it's going to ask how much your income comes from self-employment. So enter a number, click on next. Then it's going to ask if you have any employees. And then it's going to recommend you an IRA. And so with it, you can choose to open up an IRA or not. Now, if you just want to go ahead and invest for every day, you can select the option 2 and click on continue. And then it's going to ask you to set up an invest account. And same thing, just answer these questions to the best of your ability. And then it's going to ask your goals. It's going to ask you your level of financial education. And there you have it. And then it's going to recommend an invest portfolio for you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for Acorns. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Now, once you've answered all those questions to the best of your ability, this is what your Acorns account is now going to look like. But that's pretty much how you sign up though. It's signing up for a subscription. And then with that, you can go ahead and start saving or investing. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.